Alright, 2017 Honda Civic Si. Going to start to take out the turbo and install the new turbo, the 21. What do we call it? Yeah, the other turbo. Alright, so all this is normal. We're used to doing this stuff and even this stuff because it's already got cold air intake and intercooler and downpipe and front pipe, so that's all pretty simple. And bloom will blow pop. The big deal is checking this stuff out before you forget any of this or any of that. Don't want to miss any of that. That's important. Don't want to forget how that's set up either.